Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, chapter 19. But before that, I would like to show you the names of the students who have contacted me with their homeworks. Okay. So Swarda, Sejal, Kritika, Siddharth, Unnati, Prathamesh, Shravani, Patil, Shreyash, Sai Kulkarni, Shravani Chaugule, Aryan, Sparsh, Aryan Jadhav, Anushka K, Tanishka Patil, Titiksha B, Akshar. So these are all the students who have contacted me and shared photos of homework done. Okay. So you can see there are around 125 students in my list, and out of 125 students you can see only few have contacted me. One more is Zainab also. Aisha and Zainab have added they have added today, Zainab and Aisha. Okay, so these two are today's addition, I think so. And 4 or 5 students have contacted me. They have said hi to me. I'm not mentioning their name, but no sharing of the homework. So they are limited up to hi and hello also, which I don't want. Children, send your homeworks. You are going to get marks for homework, not for saying hi and hello. Okay, understood, Ayub? Especially for you. Stop hi, hello and concentrate on your work. All right. Then one more question was there. Question number 2. Question number 2, 19B. 19B, question number 2, second one. By mistake, these two polynomials were taken from the first question. So there was mistake in copying down question by me. Okay. So I have just resolved it. 8, minus minus plus. So 3 plus 2, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Here also minus 5 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4. So minus 5 plus 4, minus 1. And minus 6 minus 3, minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4, minus 5. And 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So this is resolving the question. All right. So question number 4. We are on question number 4. And question number 3 you will be able to solve, or you might have solved also. Okay, so we'll solve question number 4, subtract. Now, now addition is about to finish completely. Okay, so addition is easy only, but subtraction, only one extra step is there, that is of changing the signs. Okay, so subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So which you should write first? This should be written always first. When you subtract 4 from 5, so you do 5 minus 4, not 4 minus 5. So the polynomial which is after from should be always written first and minus this. Okay. So this is the first key, that first polynomial minus this polynomial minus this polynomial. Okay, so we'll see the two methods here, row method and column method. So whichever you feel easy, you can continue with that, but in higher classes it is suggested row method is more applicable. So this is the question, a minus 4b minus 2c, that is this one. This should be written first. I have said this 4 to 5 times because always mistake is done here. This you write and then you write. Okay, so this should be written first. Minus y minus, because question is subtract, and 5a minus 3b plus 2c in bracket. So this should be written first. Subtract y minus sign because question is subtract, minus in bracket 5a minus 3b plus 2c. So you know that before bracket, if minus is there, inside all signs will change of the respective terms. So a minus 4b minus 2c as it is, minus, now see, not this minus, this plus 5a will become minus 5a. We are removing the bracket. Okay, so this, since before bracket minus is there, inside all the signs will change. So plus, nothing is there means plus. So plus becomes minus 5a, minus 3b becomes plus 3b, and plus 2c becomes minus 2c. Okay. So now segregate like terms. A minus 5a minus 4b plus 3b minus 2c minus 2c. So here segregation of like terms A, B, C is done along with their signs. Then 1 minus 5 minus 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4, because 1 minus 5 means 5 minus 1, 4. 1 is greater or 5 is greater, 5 is greater. What is its sign? Minus. So minus 4. Then minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. I have not written here 1. It is not necessary. You can write directly minus b also. Then minus 2 minus 4. Okay. So minus 4a minus b, that is minus 1b minus 4c is the required answer. Same question. See here, how do we change sign? Before bracket minus sign is there, so here all the signs are changed. Same thing you have to do in column method also. Okay. So see, from this I have to subtract this. So write that only first. A minus 4b minus 2c and 5a minus 3b plus 2c. Now in addition, what was there? This wasn't there. Changing of this sign, right? Directly this you were performing the calculations. But now, since before bracket minus sign is there, children, you have to change the signs. So here how they got changed? Before this became plus, 5a became minus, minus became plus, plus became minus. So similarly, here after arranging in column method, you will see change sign. Now which sign to be changed? Of this term. Plus became minus, minus became plus, plus became minus. Similar, same way here. See, plus became minus, minus became plus, plus became minus. Similarly, plus minus, minus plus, plus minus. Okay. So while calculating, forget these signs. So while calculating, you have to consider minus 2c and minus 2c. So minus 2c minus 2c minus 4c. That is minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then minus 4 and plus 3b. Minus 4b and plus 3b. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. And here also plus a, and this is the changed sign. So plus is not considered. Minus is considered. So 1 minus 5 minus 4. Okay. So you don't, once you change the sign, no use left of old signs. You have to consider the new changed sign. What you did here, same thing we are doing here. Okay. Nothing changed, only arrangement is different. Remember, below all like terms together, one below another. Okay. See the answer. Answer is same, minus 4a minus b minus 4c. So whichever method you feel easy, you can go through it. Okay. So try to solve this. See, second one I have solved with the same method, row method I have used. This minus this. So write this. Remember this, I am telling you again and again, because you make mistake here only, and once you make mistake, you write this first, your whole answer will be wrong. So this has to be written first, minus, because subtracting, we are subtracting, and then this in bracket. Then before bracket, if minus is there, all inside signs will change. So plus 4x became minus 4x, minus 6y became plus, plus became minus. Then segregate like terms, 12x minus 4x plus 7y plus 6y minus 21z minus 3z, 12 minus 4 8, 7 plus 6 13, and minus 21 minus 3 minus 24. Along with the signs you have to write, along with the variables you have to write. Simply do not write 8 plus 13y minus 24z. You will lose marks for not writing x. Or sometimes you write 8x 13y minus 24z. Please write this sign here, plus or minus. That's very important. Okay. So try to solve. If you'll see here, question number 4, first and second I have explained. then third, fourth and fifth. I'm showing it, but that's homework. Okay, so third one, fourth one and fifth one. If you want to go with the row method, children, that's absolutely fine. You can go with the row method also. Okay, so please solve it by yourself. Make yourself perfect in sign. By now you have got a notice from the school that from 18th November your exams are starting. Okay, so start preparing for your exams, and very soon I'll be letting you know the syllabus. First unit test, three questions, three lessons will be there, 100% sure. So make yourself perfect in them, and then these. Okay, so okay, take care and goodbye.